Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel FRIT Hub. Today we are starting our brand new Linux series. This is day 1 and our topic is what is Linux. In this session we will explore what Linux actually is, its background and history, where Linux is used in the real world, a simple comparison between Linux and Windows, and finally we will go through some of the most popular Linux distributions. By the end of the video you will definitely get a clear picture of why Linux is so powerful and how widely it is being used. So let's start it. Let's start with the basics. Linux is an operating system just like a Microsoft Windows or Apple Mac OS. An operating system is a software that manages your computer hardware and lets you run applications. The special thing about the Linux is that it is open source. What does that mean? This means the source code is freely available for everyone to view, use, or modify. Unlike Windows, which you have to buy, Linux is completely free. Because of its open nature, thousands of developers from all over the world contribute to improving Linux every day. This makes Linux very secure, stable, and customizable. That's why it's trusted by professionals, programmers, and even big companies. Let's talk about the history of the Linux. The story of Linux begins in 1991. Linus Torvalds, a computer science student from Finland, wanted a free alternative to the expensive Unix operating system. So he started developing his own kernel, the core part of an operating system, and released it for free on the internet. He invited the programmers from around the world to test it and improve it. This project quickly grew into a global collaboration. Over the past 3 decades, Linux has become one of the most important technologies in the world. Today, it powers not only personal computer but also the servers, smartphones, embedded devices, and even space technologies. Where is Linux used? Linux is used in more places than most people realize. Let me give you some examples. Servers and data centers. Almost every major website from Google to Facebook is running on Linux servers because it is reliable and secure. Supercomputers. More than 90% of the world's fastest computers use Linux. Mobile phone. If you use an Android phone, you are already using a Linux because Android is built on top of the Linux kernel. IoT and devices. Many smart devices, routers, and even TVs run on Linux. Cybersecurity and hacking. Professionals use Linux-based tools for ethical hacking, penetrating testing, and detailed forensics. In short, Linux is everywhere, from your pocket to the world's largest data centers. Now let's do a simple comparison between Linux and Windows. Cost. Windows is paid while Linux is completely free. Security. Linux is far less vulnerable to viruses and malware compared to Windows. Customization. In Linux, you can change almost everything: the desktop, the features, even the core system. Windows is very limited in this area. Performance. Linux can run smoothly even on old or low-end hardware. Windows usually needs more system resources. Definitely it is. Community support. Linux has a huge open source community ready to help, while Windows mostly depend on Microsoft official support. So, Linux offers more freedom and stability, while Windows focuses more on user friendliness and pre-installed software. One of the best features of Linux is that it comes in many different flavors called distributions or distros. Each distro is designed with a different purpose in mind. Some popular ones are Ubuntu, user-friendly, great for beginners. Linux Mint, lightweight and simple, perfect for switching from Windows. Fedora, focus on developers and latest technologies. Kali Linux, used for cybersecurity and penetrating testing. Debian, very stable, widely used for servers. So no matter what you need, whether you are a student, a programmer, a gamer, or a security profession, this is a Linux distro for you. So that was the day 1 of our Linux series, an introduction to Linux, its history, usage, comparison with the Windows, and popular distributions. In the next video, we will learn how to install Linux step by step on your system. This will be very practical and very interesting, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.